What's up, everybody? Hey, tonight me and Katie's about to do something crazy. Last night here at Tombstone, we're getting ready to take a ghost tour of the notorious Birdcage Theater. Let's get it. Hey guys, check out all the bullet holes in the top of this place. That's the original backdrop from 1882 for the Birdcage. This place is crazy. You got a REM pod going off right there. Check this out. Curly Bill got his hair cut in his barber chair. Check that out. Look at this place. Look how old. This old Pharaoh table right here. They said Doc Holliday dealt cards on this table. Wow. Check this out. This poker game lasted 8 years, 5 months, 3 days, and 24 hours. A $1,000 buy-in in 1881. Look in here. Check this out, guys. The Black Marai. An original Tombstone cask. That's crazy. It's fixing to get dark, people.
We're alive.
Alright guys, we just got out of there. Pretty sketchy.